In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick hack that will change how you manage your Google Sheets files in your Google Drive. So when you're starting with a new Google Sheets, let's say if I were to start a new file right here, I'm going to type in sheets.new at the top, press enter. Here is a new Google Sheet file. So whenever you start a new Google Sheets file, you don't really know where it's saved in your Google Drive. So the best way for you to organize your Sheets files is to open a folder in your Google Drive. So open up your Google Drive. Here I have mine. Right now I'm at the home page, and if I go to my drive right here, I would have a bunch of folders where I usually organize and save my files. So what I do would be to create a new folder. So to create a folder, just right-click on any empty space right here and select New Folder right here. Here we can name our folder, so I'm going to just put here Google Sheets, then click on Create. So here is my Google Sheets folder. When I click on that, you'll see that right now it's empty, and this is where I usually want to start. So whether that's going to be for Google Sheets, Google Slides, or Google Docs, the best way to organize and make sure that you can quickly find those files would be to create a folder, and within that folder, you can start creating your files. So if I were to right-click and select Google Sheets right here, click on that, it will open a new spreadsheet where I can start making my files. So if I were to rename this, new file right here, press enter. If I go back to my Google Drive, you'll see that I now have that new file spreadsheet right here. So with that, I can quickly and easily find the new file or the new spreadsheet that I've created by first going to my drive, then creating that folder, and after opening and creating that folder, that's where I can start creating my spreadsheets. And there you have it. So that's a quick hack on how you can organize and manage your Google Sheets files with the help of your Google Drive. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.